Hi, in this video we will talk about pushing or publishing our Android Studio project on GitHub. Before continuing, make sure that you provided your GitHub credentials to Android Studio by accessing its settings. You can even test for a successful connection by using the test button, and in my case a dialog is displayed letting me know that I have provided the right credentials. By saving these credentials, you might be asked to provide a master password, so that information stored will be encrypted. Feel free to enter a password and confirm it, or leave the fields blank in case you don't want to enable the master password protection. Now, before going further, I would like to set up some variables in the Git client application, the one that we installed in a previous lesson. I will open a new Windows Explorer application and will browse to the location that we used to install the Git client for Windows, which is C, Program Files x86, Git, and finally open the bin folder. In order to run a command prompt application from here, I will shift right click and will select Open Command window here. Now, the command prompt that appears will already have this directory as its current working directory. We will need to specify two global variables for Git, the default user email and the default username. We can do this by typing git space -- global space user dot email, follow it by your email address, and we press enter. No error is returned. Great! We will do the same for the username by typing git space config space -- global space user dot name, follow it by your name in double quotes, and again we press enter. Great! No error either. Now we can close the command prompt window and the Windows Explorer application and get back to Android Studio. In order to push our project to GitHub or to commit it in Git terms, we just need to go to the VCS menu, which stands for Version Control Systems, and select Import into Version Control. Then we select Share Project on GitHub. After a few moments, a Share Project on GitHub dialog is displayed. We will need to enter a new repository name. Please note that we will not be able to use an existing repository by taking this path. We will need to create a new one. I will name this one My App. Optionally, you can enter a description for this and finally click Share. We are then presented with a list of files that will be added to the repository. You can deselect any file that you don't want to be included and provide a message for this commit. By clicking OK, we can see in the status bar that our Android Studio project is pushed to the GitHub. In case of success, we even obtain a link to our newly created repository, which you can use to browse its content. If you want to share this repository with anyone, you can copy its address from the right-hand side. We have now successfully made our Android Studio project available on GitHub.